Hi guys, welcome to Crown Rectal Station. Yeah, it's me, Mark. Going to apologise in advance because I'll show you what other brands available. A couple of Jackman sweets, and I got me Coke for me little folk. Oh man, I don't know if you heard of the 100-day cough. Mrs. had it, and whoa. When you start, you got to get this coughing attack and you can't stop, and then you're bringing up all the... Yeah, and mate, so anyway guys, so if you do hear me coughing, please forgive me. I'll try my best not to, hence having them extras on the side. So without further ado, what we got today, just for this evening, just for a short, gonna highlight highlight 31275. It's now got a light on the front there, and we've got a red light direction, so it's going the other way. Serviced it today, running really well. I still think it might need a couple of tyres, but we'll soldier on. And to accompany it, pulling the coal now on the infield is Sir Rowland Hill, which is the 47474. So we've got the two cameras there, guys, as you can see. I'm going to plonk you whoa, yeah, I'm going to plonk you somewhere like I don't know where we do. I'm going to alternate you a couple of small places just for the short period, like that. Well, I'll just fire these up. Hold on. Yeah. Very interesting. Very annoying. Right. I've got to turn the light on Roland when he comes round. Then what we'll do, we will kill the lights. We've got them flashing now, so we'll get 275 going. Hopefully it'll push the trestle okay for a while. Treating it as if we're doing heritage. He's pulling 4 Mark II intercity coaches with the guard van on the back. And then let's just move Roland up a bit. Right, I'm just going to put these guard van lights on, guys. Yep. Okay, let's get Roland going. Yeah. Right. Further ado, let's kill the light, see what happens. This cough drives you mad, guys, I tell you. Drives you mad. It's been driving me mad. So I'm going to shut up and just let this do some money. Alright. Just trying to think the best place to put you, really, guys. Let's try over here for a minute. Yeah. Another swig of honey, guys. Turn you around, guys. Awkward, these little jaw things. That didn't work, guys. Want you to be looking down the corner.